Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little DIY situation. Can you guess what the DIY is going to be? Can you guess?
No, God!
So I'm going to show you how to get this whole entire studio set up so you can start your own YouTube channel. So I have lights here that I DIY, my backdrop is a DIY, my camera is not a DIY because you can't do that, because if you did, I would have made it already. So I'm going to show y'all how I created my own home studio set using different materials that are cheap, because you know I'm broke bitch, okay? And I'm real cheap. If I can find, listen, if you know me, if I can find an alternative that's cheaper, I'm going to do the alternative. Like, I'm not about buying that expensive stuff. No, this whole entire set cost me no more than $40. So if you want to see how to get this in-home studio set, then just keep on watching the video. First thing I'm going to show you guys is how to create this backdrop stand. And I kid you not, this cost me $10 to make, and it is completely out of PVC pipe. Okay, so let's get started. So I was having some difficulty taking off all the pieces because I actually spray painted this a long time ago, like last summer. So it's like real stuck up in there. But I'm just going to show y'all the measurements and everything that I got to create this backdrop. For starters, I went to Home Depot and I got 3 10-foot long PVC pipe. It's actually 3/4 inch. The 3/4 inch is how wide it is in the circle part. And then they were all 10 feet long. So they were real long. It didn't cost me no more than $1.72 a PVC pipe. So I got 3. I actually got 4 because I actually created softbox lights as well, and I'm going to show you all that in a second. Okay, so you need 2 54-inch long PVC pipes. In Home Depot, Lowe's, it will cut the PVC pipe for you. So out of the 10 feet PVC pipe, I got 2 54-inch long pipe, 4 30-inch long pipes. So we have 4 12-inch pipes right here. To hold it all together, I got 2 elbow caps. These are the elbow caps, and these were like 60 cents each. All the caps were no more than 70 cents, 60 to 70 cents each. Real cheap, okay? Real cheap. 4 T caps, and they're in the shape of a T. And then I have 4 end caps. So these just go on the end so it looks a little bit more fancier. You don't have to get these, but I would get them just to make it look nice. So it's really easy to assemble. If you want to spray paint yours like I did, you could definitely go to Michael's and get some spray paint, no more than like 99 cents. Also use a coupon as well. So just go to michaels.com and then, in the search bar type in coupons. You can also do the same thing with Home Depot. That's where I got everything else. So let's go ahead and assemble this backdrop. So the first thing I'm going to do is assemble the legs of the backdrop. So I need 2 12-inch PVC pipes and 1 30-inch PVC pipe. So basically what you're going to do is take 1 T-cap and connect it to the PVC pipe, like so. So you have one of the legs, and then connect the 2 12-inch to the other side. now you have one leg. Now the legs go this way, so it faces this way, and then the stand, you know, goes up. So I'm gonna put this leg down, we're gonna do the other leg, and then I'll come back and show you how to put together the rest of the backdrop. Okay, so I have my two legs right here. These are the two legs right here. So those two legs are done. So now we're gonna work on the frame. So this is the frame of the backdrop. So basically what I have is one 30-inch PVC pipe connected with a T-cap, and then one 54-inch going the long way. I'm going to show you how to do the other side of this. I also have an elbow cap attached to it as well. So I already have attached to this a T-cap. This is the 30-inch pole, mainly because I couldn't get it off of here. So I'm just going to attach it to the other side of the 54 inches. The other 54-inch pipe just attaches to the other elbow caps. Like so. It's pretty big, so I won't be able to get it in full frame, so y'all get the idea. So now I'm going to attach the legs. The legs go right under here. You're probably wondering what I use for backdrops. Let me show you. Ooh, so sparkly. This is actually fabric from the fabric store. So this is actually 54-inch. It might be a little bit bigger. So I recommend that you get maybe 58 inches just so you have enough room to clamp the fabric to the thing. So y'all probably like, this isn't long enough. Well, I only use half of the backdrop when I'm filming because all of my videos are face shots. So I only use half. If you wanted a full backdrop, you can, you know, make it a little bit longer. If you were doing like OOTD's outfit of the days, you would want it a little bit longer so you can't see what's going on down here. So this fabric is from the fabric store. It doesn't cost a lot. It was actually on sale and they always have coupons. I actually get my fabric from Joann's. When you're picking the fabric, make sure it's stretchy. It's stretchy material because you want your backdrop to be, you want to be able to pull your backdrop so you don't have any wrinkles in the back. So how I clip my backdrops so it's no wrinkling is I just use these paper clips, the bigger ones. You can get the industrial ones at Home Depot, but these work just as good. So this is my softbox light, real ghetto, okay? So this is just a regular grocery store bag. You can take it off if you would like. It gets super bright. It's not going to cut on because it's not plugged in. But the way I created this is, so to create the softbox lights, let me show you what you guys will need. So for starters, this came from one 10-foot pipe again. So I have 4 6-inch legs. I also have 4 end caps. for these guys. The next thing I have is two 12-inch PVC pipe, two 26-inch PVC pipe. So I have 6, 12, and 26, 4 T-caps, and there's a cap on here. You can't really tell, and I can't get it off because it is secure. But this is just a regular cap. It has 2 open sides. It's not a T-cap. It's not an elbow cap. It just goes straight and down. I'll insert a picture in here because it can get real confusing. But you're going to need one of these. And I have 2 softbox lights. So multiply everything by 2. Next thing I have is a clamp light. And you probably see hard or, construction workers do this or have these. These come in handy, or this came in handy because it has the clamp at the bottom. And when I show you how to assemble the softbox lights, you'll see where the clamp stands on the light. So this was only like $6 and I have 2. And then I have eco lights, the energy saving lights. And these don't get hot at all, which is perfect because when you're down here in the studio, it can get really hot. So this came in a pack of 4 and they were like $5.97 each. So the first thing you're going to do is connect the two 26-inch pipes with the cylinder cap. So it's this long right here. So I have 2 6-inch and a T-cap. So with the body, the 2 26-inch, we're going to put a T-cap at the bottom. And the 2 12-inches are going to stick out from alongside of it. So with the legs, they go like this. They hook onto the 12-inch. So now with this top part of the stand, we are going to add the last T-cap on top. And the clamp sits like so. So it looks very professional. You would never know that I did a DIY for my entire studio. So I do have a ring light. I actually got this for Christmas. So what I was using before, because I've been on YouTube for like 2 years now, I was only using these 2 softbox lights. So start out with those. You do not have to get a ring light. Like, it's not necessary. I only like it because I like as much lighting as possible, and if you like as much lighting too, then I would say invest in a ring light. So for my chair, I actually got my chair for my kid because my parents got tired of me taking their chair and bringing it downstairs in the basement and never bringing it back up. So I had to invest in getting my own chair. My chair was only $20 and I put it together myself. My table setting is really small. I do want to get a big one, but when I move into my own place, which will be soon, very soon. So I took this from my parents' room. It's just a regular table, nightstand table that you can use, and I just propped a bunch of stuff on here. So I have my mirror in front of me, and then I have just a regular cardboard box so the mirror can sit up high enough. My camera, I know a lot of people say like, just start with your iPhone and blah blah blah. iPhone, hell no. Don't use your iPhone because ain't nobody got time to be having that almost full storage notification pop up on your phone because you ain't got enough space to film a video. I was having those issues and I had to invest in a camera. So I think the only real big investment would be investing in a camera. They do have cameras for $300 and you can get a refurbished camera. Kind of iffy about those, and I wanted to just buy my own camera and just start from scratch. So I have a Nikon D5300 and it was $700. I know, it's a little pricey. I hope you enjoy or like this in-home studio. It's really affordable, no more than $50 besides the camera, and literally you will look like a professional. If you want to see more DIYs, Put that in the comment box below and tell me which DIYs y'all want me to do or create. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are returning, thanks for joining me and coming back to my channel. But if you are new, hit that subscribe button down there. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye guys. And the color I got was bow and arrow. Feels really nice, like it's kind of cool. It's very edgy.